Hello and welcome to softexpert. In this short video tutorial, you will learn how to migrate or transfer a WordPress website from one domain to another, from one hosting to another, or from a local host to a live server. I have a couple of videos about this topic already. You can see this one is for GoDaddy hosting, this is for Hostinger, this is a general video, this is another one but this is too old, and there were some basic questions in these videos. Let me show you. Do we need WordPress premium plan to migrate? Can we transfer website built with Infinity free if you have WordPress website and localhost? So let me try answering these questions with this video, okay? The plugin that we will be using in this video is free and you can use it for any hosting or localhost, okay? And by the way, this is the website that we will be transferring or migrating in this video. We will transfer this website from this domain to this one. This is just a testing domain in another hosting, while this is hosting on Hostinger, okay? And the plugin that we will be using in this video is Migrate Guru. As you can see, it works with all the hosting and any other host. You can learn more about this plugin. They have a helping video as well. Now let's see how this plugin works and how we can use it. So for migrating a website, you will need to install that plugin on both the websites, okay? So we will go to its dashboard and let's add a new plugin. Here we will search for Migrate. And you will see that plugin on first position, which is WordPress Migrate Clone Free by Migrate Guru. Just install and activate it. And now let's also install this same plugin on our destination website, okay? This is the source website. And this is the destination website. We'll go to plugins, add new. We'll search for Migrate. And we'll install this plugin. Now you can notice the same screen on both the website. This is the destination website and this is the source website. So don't get confused. On the source website from which we are transferring the website, we'll scroll down and we'll enter our email. We'll check this box and click migrate. And then you can pick a hosting like Bluehost, HostGator, GoDaddy, or if you are not sure, you can just click on other host. And the screen after this will work the same for all these, okay? Let's just click on other hosts. And here we will need to put our migration key from the destination website, okay? So let's go there. This is our destination website, okay? Here we will scroll down and we'll click here. And this is our key. Let's just copy it. Copied. We'll go back to the source website and paste it here. And then we have these options, but these are optional, okay? If the source website or destination website are protected by password, you can enter that password. But our website don't have any passwords. Then we have some advanced options, folder and tables. But as I mentioned, you only need this migration key, okay? I have done a couple of websites using this plugin, so let's just put it and click migrate. Now this will validate the details. This can take a few seconds. And after validating details, it will start migrating. You can see migrating from this domain to this. We have these much files, the database tables, and copying. Now this may take a few minutes based on your hosting and internet speed, so let's wait for it. And that's it, migration completed from this domain to this one. Let's visit our website. So this was our destination URL and we got the same website here. Similar to the source website. So in this way, you can migrate or transfer a website from one domain to another or from one hosting to another, okay? Without downloading and uploading any files, okay? So I hope I could answer these questions and I hope the video will be helpful for you. For more, you can follow my channel and if there were any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.